Hey everyone, my name is Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder here at UpKeep, and today I wanted to show you a few different ways that our customers are using AI to make themselves even more productive. All right, let's start with technician notes. We know that technician notes and closeout summaries can be, let's call it direct, very brief. But we know when you have to send it up to management or your boss, communication really matters, and that polish really matters. So let's try using UpKeep to help ourselves improve that. So in UpKeep, once you've finished up a work order and added all of your different notes in, with one click of a button, you can press Generate Summary, and boom, your closeout notes are all added with some style. Instantly, you get that professional version that's basically readable and ready to go. Let's face it, communication definitely matters, especially when your boss is reading it. So with AI, this polishing field notes takes seconds, not hours. Check it out.